Okay, so we picked up the van, we've driven down the M25, we're now back home having a quick cuppa and packing Winnie to have our first 3 nights away. In the know, it's called a van shakedown, but for us it's really going to be a complete learning experience. We're totally new to this, so I'm sure we're going to take far too much gear, probably make lots of mistakes, but we intend to go away for 3 nights in a campsite that was recommended to us by someone off the Westfalia Sven Hedin Owners Club on Facebook, so really grateful for that. And it's a campsite which is up in Cambridgeshire, supposed to be really, really nice. It's a National Trust campsite called Waterclose Meadows Close. So we're going to pack the van now and head up there, so let's see how we get on. Unpacking the Sven Winnie for the first time. There's Kath on bed duty. Give us a wave, Kath, on bed duty. Look at this chaos at the moment.
Put the headboard on.
Yeah, let's try and headboard, yeah? Which one?
That's too big, you might have to remove that. It's quite big, isn't it? Yeah, you do, don't you?
Yeah. Oh, it's lovely, isn't
Yeah.
it? Looks lovely, that.
Yeah, really nice.
Very good.
Should we take the Velcro out?
Yeah. Headboard in.
That's lovely.
Isn't it? The princess and the pea. I'm going to put a pea under the bed and see whether you can find it. What's next?
The quilt just on the top now.
Where's that? Where's that?
In the front here, I think.
Okay. Hey! Winnie is officially named. Beer break, we're not even done yet. Yeah, cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, blow my neck. I'm wrecked, I need a holiday.
It's going to be like we go on holiday when we put everything.
Oh, this is a lovely campsite, by the way. I'll have a show around tomorrow, a bit more of this, I think. It's lovely, isn't it? Great recommendation by that woman off the forums, I think. I have to thank you for that. Chaos at the minute. First time we've ever done it. Absolute chaos. We'll be there eventually. Beautiful night though. Stunning. 2 minutes and a bird poops on the chair. That one is obviously Kath's chair. This chair is mine.
Can you believe that?
I can't believe. No, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It's all luck. There you go. Thank you for making dinner.
Set the table better next time.
Oh, hey, at least we're in, everything's sorted. Have a gin or something afterwards, it'd be lovely, wouldn't it? Those ice cubes have set.
Probably won't have set yet. It'll take a while.
Cheers
Cheers
to Winnie.
to Winnie. Hope it doesn't misbehave tonight and set his alarm
No.
or anything.
First dinner in the van. Yummy. Cheers, another gin and tonic. Yay.
Cheers.
finally got the table and chairs up.
I know.
Bit of
Sat
fat.
on it.
Nice, comfortable.
Yes.
Lovely. Look at that. What a beautiful day. I should put around the campsite, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
This is Waterclose Meadows campsite, St Ives, in Cambridgeshire. So these are nice, little shepherd's huts. Don't think there's anybody in them at the moment. We have the campsite pretty much to ourselves, or where we're parked here, with Winnie's first outing. And here is the washing up facility and the toilets. Really quite nice. Let's have a little look. Yeah, so nice washing up area, plenty of space for you to do stuff. If you go on here, you have the bins, your drainage point, water, and the toilets and cleaning. I'll have to come back. And then we've got plenty of space around here. Beautiful day. I think every pitch has hookup, but I think there are some where you don't need to have it. Not that much of a saving. I think it was about £6 different. A few vans along here. And here's the wider site. Really nice. Ah, that's the mill, I think. So it's a little small loop of the park or the campsite, and then I think we'll head over to the mill and have a look at that mill on our walk, going back and make some sandwiches and head out for the day. Looking forward to that. That looks lovely. And there's reception. We came a little bit late last night, so we had to ring the bell at 4 o'clock, give us the code to get in, and then we were shown to our spot. But there's the mill. I think we're going to probably go and have a look at that, pay to get inside and have a look at it. What an absolutely beautiful site. Film that a little bit later on a walk. Right, back to the van. Some more very nice shepherd's huts. It's really empty, but what a beautiful site. Not a bad one to pick for your first time out. And there's Winnie, parked over there. Probably covered in bird poo under the trees. A lovely position to be parked. Absolutely stunning place. Really fantastic. And look at that. Winnie in full blossom. Kitchen. Salmon's kitchen is open. Cheese and pickle, please. Heavy on the pickle. Off we go for a walk. the option of the river walk or the thicket walk. I probably need to go on the thicket walk. I reckon she could do that for 280 quid. Get your paintbrushes out now. They're lovely, aren't they? Like the cups. What do you think of it so far, Kath? Oops.
Lovely.
You enjoy your trip?
Yes, thank you.
Fantastic.
You're the best of luck.
I saw it. T-shirt and shorts weather, who would have thought it? Fantastic. Anyway, she'll let you get on with your walk. See you later, ducky. Round them up. Chinese bridge. Looks absolutely fantastic. Some huge fish down there. That's a massive one. Back on track with the poplar trees. started. 6 hours later. Cheers. Quick pint, rattle down. Jolly Budgers. Was it the Jolly Butchers? Jolly Budgie. The Budgie Smugglers. I thought the Jolly Butchers. Oh. There's a little drinking water slot here. He is under the trees. Yeah. Nice day. Lovely day. Long, tiring. Lots of walk.